Across your portfolio, solar installations are expanding, and every panel that gets mounted means something new punched through your roof's membrane. The very system designed to keep water out. A single commercial solar installation can require hundreds or even thousands of roof attachment points, and every one represents an opening that must be properly sealed and protected. Most solar-related roof failures aren't electrical, they're leaks at the penetrations. When the solar installer and the roofer are two different companies, one leak can become a finger-pointing problem and a voided warranty. That's where Nation's Roof comes in. While your solar contractor designs and installs the array, our team ensures every roof penetration is professionally flashed and sealed to manufacturer standards, helping preserve the integrity of the roofing system and protect the warranty. Backed by an industry-leading EMR for safety, over 40 locations with over 100 crews nationwide holding one national standard. Before the first solar panel is installed, partner with a team dedicated to protecting the roof beneath it. Nation's Roof. National coverage, local service, trusted results.